This is a YouTube channel with over 200,000 subscribers, and this is what catastrophic failure looks like. 88 views. In a month, I've had sneezes that went more viral. I lost more subscribers than I have hairs on my head. And the best part, I paid several $1,000s for this. Real adult money. Money that could have been a down payment on a reasonably priced sedan, or approximately 1/8 of a college textbook. This officially makes it the dumbest investment I've ever made, narrowly beating out a collectible NFT of a monkey that now has the resale value of a used napkin. The plan, concocted by my galaxy-brained self, was simple. Buy a big audience, put my brilliant AI for business videos in front of them. Passive income, baby. I'd be sipping cocktails on a beach that was probably just a Zoom background, but still, the gurus said it would work. Here's what the gurus don't tell you. Buying a YouTube channel is like buying a nightclub that used to be a wildly popular poker club. You show up with a new light show and a great DJ, ready to drop the sickest beats, but the 200,000 people on the guest list just want to hear a polka. They don't hate you, they just don't care. They stand there confused, holding their accordions, wondering why you're not playing Roll Out the Barrel. And they're telling the bouncer, the YouTube algorithm, that your party sucks. And the algorithm, being a very large and very literal bouncer, listens. It sees that nobody is dancing, and it promptly throws you out into the street. So I had a choice. Keep trying to force techno on the polka crowd and slowly lose my will to live, or burn it all down, start over, from nothing. So that's what this is, this channel, the one you're on right now. Welcome to Ground Zero. Look at it, it's pristine, no ghosts, no polka fans, just pure unadulterated opportunity and a looming sense of dread. The new mission is simple. Can I build a successful, faceless YouTube channel from scratch and make back the money I set on fire? I have no idea, but I'm going to document every single step, every tool, every failure, and every dollar right here. I'm your crash test dummy for content creation. So, if you want a brutally honest, no BS guide to what it actually takes to build something from nothing, or if you're just a little sadistic and enjoy watching a grown man navigate a public financial crisis, you know what to do. First on the list, scripting. Should be easy enough, it's just words. I'll see you in the next video, if I survive.